Today I decided to review the top 5 best satisfied wood burning stove for camping. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I trying to list them based on that price, quality, durability and more. So let's get started with the video. At number 1, Unigear. Stable and durable, premium quality stainless steel for rugged backpacking. Portable and ultra compact, which can be folded like a book, and come with a carrying bag for easy carry. Perfect for camping, hiking, backpacking, multi-function. Can work with many kinds of pots, which can cook food, boil water and BBC. Meet your camping needs. High efficiency. Those camping stove not only can use wood, also can use spirit burner, twigs, leaves, coal, gas and solid fuel tablets. Number 2. Unique double wall construction that creates ultra clean gasification, and a secondary combustion. Open mouth design, easy to add fuel. Get rid of inconvenience of keep lifting up the cooking pot pan to add more fuel. Stable pot support. 4 flexible non-slip double-layered arms, can stably support a pot or pan or small cups. Environmentally friendly. Number 3. Titanium construction extreme durability, as well as minimal weight. Cross-stand trivet creates a stable cooking platform for any pot size. Durable and super light. Package. 1 foldable wood stove, 1 storage bag. Number 4. Toaks. Material. Titanium, grade 1 or 2, no coating. Designed by Toaks in California and made in China. Small version of award winner wood stove. Comes with a nylon sack bag. Number 5. Yoler. Designed for backpackers, hikers and other outdoor enthusiasts. Stainless steel is the main part of this camping stove. Space saving, comes with a convenient nylon carry bag. Customer satisfaction ensure. So if you're looking for quality and price then this would be the perfect option for you. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about these wood burning stove, you can check out the links in the description and the comment section below, and if you found it helpful please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.